Hello each and everyone, welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. I haven't been here in a while. Today I'm here to give you guys a great recipe today. I'm gonna be making a savory zucchini cheddar bread today. So I'm just gonna show you guys quickly what I'm gonna start out with to make the zucchini bread. I'll tell you exactly, I got a cup and a half of shredded zucchini right here. I'll show you that. And I got 2 cups of flour. And I sieve my flour, and I also got baking powder, which is about just 1.5 teaspoon, and I got a teaspoon of baking soda, teaspoon and a half baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt right there. I got 3 tablespoons of melted butter and 1 egg. All right, and I'm gonna be using a cup and a half of shredder right here, shredded cheddar cheese. All right, so we're just gonna jump right in and get this going. Okay, so right here guys, I got apple cider vinegar, which I'm using the one with mother, and this is a really good apple cider vinegar to use. It's really good for you, I should say. So right here I got a tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar, which I'm gonna go right inside the milk. So this is 1 cup of milk right here, and I'm using 2%. Just gonna pour that in my bowl right here, and I'm gonna add the vinegar to that. And with adding the vinegar to this, it might curdle a little bit. Don't worry about that. You're basically making buttermilk right here. All right, you're just gonna whisk that together, then you can add your butter right inside, and margarine will work as well. All right, so normally I use the green onions in this to get it really savory, but optional, you can use oregano or your favorite herbs. All right, so here I got oregano I'm gonna use. Just gonna mix that right in. Then I'm gonna add my 1 egg right inside that. You just get that mixing nicely. So all my dry ingredient here, the baking soda and the baking powder, gonna add right in here. All right, and my salt, add that right inside the flour. And also my, so this is just a teaspoon of oregano. You get in right there. All right, hope you guys can see everything right here. Pull my bowl over. Just mix the flour. So the zucchini, you can put your zucchini right inside of a paper towel as soon as you shred it, and just squeeze the water out. It doesn't have to be really dry, but you're just going to get the excess water out of the zucchini, because zucchini got a lot of water. And as I said, this is just a cup and a half of shredded zucchini. All right, so you can shred that on a grater or in your food processor, up to you. So we're just gonna add this right inside of the flour right here. I'm gonna give this a nice mix. And that's my oven. I preheat to 350. That's how easy this is. It doesn't take too long to mix. Now I'm gonna add the zucchini right inside. Just scrape every bit of it out. Then you give it a nice mix again. And then I'll add about a cup. You get a handful. That should be a cup right there. and then the half, so a cup and a half. All right. I'm just gonna mix this in right here. And you can add more herbs if you like to make it more savory. Okay, right there your bread mixture is ready to go inside your pan. And this nice loaf pan here that I'm using, I just grease the bottom a little bit and the sides. All right, make it easy to get out after it's baked. All right, looking great. So I'm gonna add this right inside. This is how simple this recipe is. So these beautiful zucchini here, they're nice and fresh. I got from my neighbor. They got a lot of zucchini this summer. And this is a great way to use up your zucchini. Make a nice zucchini bread, or you can make zucchini fritter. All right, and this is ready. All right, we're gonna get this in the oven, guys, for 30 minutes. I'll show you guys what this looks like. Can't wait to taste this. So here we go, guys. It's out of the oven. Still need to cool down a bit, but I just want to try a piece. Can't wait. Just gonna cut the end right off. Look at that steam coming out of it. Wow. So what I'm gonna do right here, I'm just gonna spread a little bit of butter on this piece. Wow. Nice, savory. So this you can have with some scrambled eggs or some chicken wings, barbecue rib. It's perfect. Delicious. Wow. It's really good. So you guys can try the zucchini bread. It's summer, a lot of zucchini. If you're growing in your backyard, great way to use it up. I just want to say thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the post notification so you'll know when I put up a new video. Wanna catch you?